the hush of a winter tide. Steam on the inlet and the hills stretched wide. Coffee in my hand and the board on the roof. Down to the break where the water tells the truth.
Cold sand under bare feet.
Old track through the tea trees. Nothing much to prove today, just another slow ride on Mallacoota Bay. No need to hurry when the swell rolls in. We're only small in the blue we're in. No riding slow in Mallacoota Bay, where the waves don't shout, but they still know your name. Sun in my eyes and salt in my hair. 12 in the lineup and no one cares.
We're riding slow
in Mallacoota Bay. Genoa Peak holds the morning light.
Kookaburras call and the world feels right.
No traffic humming, no city sound,
just the ocean breathing as the tide turns round.
A seal rolls easy in the shallows.
Clouds drift soft over green and shadow.
We wait and laugh and let time thin,
where the inlet ends and the surf begins.
We wait, we float,
we drift, we grin. Let the cold tide lift us in.
Yeah, riding slow
in Mallacoota Bay.
Time gets lost
in the salt and spray.
Friends in the water and feet in the foam. Out here the silence
feels like home. We're riding slow in Mallacoota Bay.
There's a kind of magic in the in-between, where lake meets sea and the bush leans green.
We're not chasing glory or a perfect line,
just taking what comes and calling it fine. The world can run fast and lose its way, but we've got dawn and a winter bay.
One clean wave and a quiet mind,
that's enough for me every time. Oh, riding slow in Mallacoota Bay,
under skies that drift and dream.